do our direction activity today, and this is going to help us to see which direction north, south, east, and west are in relationship to where we are. So if you're stranded somewhere, if you don't know where you're at, you can easily do this over the course of a few hours to determine which direction you need to head if you know in approximately the right direction that you need to travel. So as we go through the day, this stake that we put straight up in the ground is casting a shadow. Because of the rotation of the earth, that shadow is not going to stay in the same place. We're going to affix a second post right at the end of that shadow so that we know exactly where we started from. And then based on the movement of the first shadow, we should be able to determine which direction is east and which is west. It's been almost an hour since we put our stakes in the ground, and we can see that the shadow's already moved from the first position. You can see right here, this was our 10:30 a.m. post, and that is where our shadow had been, and now it's here. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag a straight line, and I'm just going to use this map because it's pretty straight, from the post to its new position. And the first position, since that was earlier in the day and the sun rises in the east, that's actually our west direction. It's our west direction. Because if it's in the east, then it's shining on the post from the east, and the shadow is being cast towards the west. And since it's moved this direction, that is our east. So you can see there's west and east in my yard. And since I know that north is actually between east and west, above them on the map, if I look at a key, has north, south, east, west. If you do like a little cross, then south is this direction, north is that direction. So I've made my own directional compass using the shadows in less than an hour. And you can do this within 15 minutes. It just won't be as long of a line. And you need to make those perpendicular cuts to determine north and south as well. So now I'm in Burnsville. I know that Corinth is northwest of me, so I would need to turn in this direction and go between north and west that way, and Corinth is over there. Corinth is over there from me where I am right now. If I turn around, Iuka is actually southeast of me, so I would go between the south and the east towards Iuka. And that's how we can find which direction we may need to go.